In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove background in Ssemble. If you want a quick, clean way to make your subject stand out without the distractions behind them, this walkthrough will get you there in just a few clicks. We'll focus on clarity, keeping things simple and efficient so you can follow along even if you're brand new to the editor. First, log in to Ssemble. Make sure you're signed in and on a stable internet connection so your changes register smoothly. Having your video file ready to go will save you time and help you move through the editor without interruptions. Next, open a clip in the editor. Load the video you plan to work on so you can see it in the timeline and the preview area. Give it a quick play to confirm you've got the right section and that your subject is framed the way you want. If you're working with multiple clips, select the one you intend to adjust so the settings you change apply to the correct piece of media. Now click on Edit at the top. This opens your editing controls and tools. You should see a panel where you can make targeted adjustments to the selected clip. If nothing appears, double check that the clip is highlighted in the timeline or preview. From there, go to the Style tab. This tab focuses on the visual look of your clip. It's where you'll find appearance-related options that influence the overall feel without changing the content of your footage. Navigating here keeps all the background-related settings in one place for a straightforward workflow. Within the Style tab, look for Clip Background. This is the control that handles how the area behind your subject is treated. It's designed to help you reduce distractions or create a specific aesthetic with minimal effort. Finally, choose either blur or color. If you pick blur, you'll soften the background so your subject pops, which is great for interviews, product shots, or any time you want a professional, depth-of-field look. Adjust the strength if the option is available, aiming for a blur that separates the subject without making the edges look unnatural. If you choose color, you'll replace the background appearance with a solid color. Go with a neutral shade for a clean, studio-like finish, or use a brand color for consistency across your content. Make sure the color contrasts well with your subject so nothing blends together. That's it. By logging in, opening your clip, heading to Edit, switching to Style, finding Clip Background, and selecting Blur or Color, you've effectively removed the original background distraction and focused attention exactly where you want.